Hey guys, this is a quick little tutorial just to help anyone new to fishing, wanting to get into some lure fishing. This is just on how to tie a loop knot. Loop knot's used just for all your lures except for like your metal slug, so I wouldn't bother tying one for a metal slug. But literally you take your leader and you wrap it, make a loop, and then feed it through the loop. Then feed that end through the eye and back through the loop you made, like so, and then pull it down so it's all really nice and quiet, tight. Then wrap 4 around that main leader, then feed it back through the center of the big hole, and then you should just have to pull it like so, and it will all lock off down on itself, and that's your loop knot. And that way it's not gonna, it gives the lure the ability to move and do whatever action it needs to. Then you just trim this down, something like that. Alright, that's it. Get out there and catch more fish.